this question probably weighed a lot because
Mm.
you know they said it's 5 to 7 questions. Maybe they only gave 5, and this was one of the questions.
Mm. Let's do the geometry question then. Well, if it is a surface area thing, it should, you understand surface area is normally, I love surface area question normally when I was your age.
I think I'm
It's-
okay with like finding surface area, but I think what made me stuck was that it was asking me to solve for a side given a surface area, but like not giving you the exact value of the surface area, but
Yeah,
replacing one aspect of the variable.
Yeah, that's the
So
thing.
I think, yeah.
Yeah, but actually, essentially, it's kind of similar, right? Although, yeah, you just make the right big formula and get the one that you don't know, right?
I tried to even do substitution, but for some reason I just kept on getting decimals, I recall.
Oh.
So I just ran out of time, made an educated guess.
Well, let's do 9.
Okay.
This one is okay, right? Right.
What's the area? I think this will be okay. Because like 1/2. Yeah. I find the middle value and then I can just do base times height divided by 2.
So one of them is Pythagoras, right? I mean,
Yeah.
one of them is hypotenuse. Should it be this one? So this is 25 and 50. Should be the longest one, right? And
Yeah.
that's 9. So this one is out. So I'm just timing this too, right?
Okay. And I divided by what?
Divided
Yeah,
by
I divided
2.
by 2. Because it's right triangle. Yeah.
Okay.
Though on the test, like if I get a question, I have to decide which side is the longest. I'll probably just type in the value and check the decimal.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, that's
Okay.
the time that you use calculator. Yeah. Well, this also qualifies for geometry. What is this equation of the graph?
Okay, this one, I'm okay.
4.
So I just have to convert it, right? I divide by pi and I times 180. So I think.
Yeah, divided by pi.
But then there's a 2, so I think probably D. Because I have
times k over 2 times 180.
Yeah. D.
Sure. Inequality with shaded, shaded region. Sometimes we
think
know
it'll be
about
okay.
Okay.
For this type of question, I can just graph it on decimals and match graph or coordinates. I think it'll be okay.
This y-intercept, is this qualified for geometry?
Well, I think that counts as algebra.
Okay.
So from the College Board, they're saying example questions are like triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Find the lengths of DE, or questions like a circle has the center at -4, -6. Find the slope of line K, and probably surface area too, but they didn't give an example of that.
21.
Yeah, this probably would count. Let me see. Okay, I'll have to draw this. 妈，这笔我能用吗？
不能，这是画，这你再找那个是
这个呢？
画布上的那可以，那画布上的。
You're in the living room?
Yeah.
Better signal there?
Huh?
So
The
there-
signal's okay. I think I'm more here for focusing purposes. So I think it's 15 over 32.
Yeah, find the size of it, right?
Yep.
Then divide it by definition. Is 18 qualifies for geometry?
I don't think so, but I can get it right, I think. Yeah.
Mm. The length of the radius. 15 is okay, right?
Yeah. I think I might have gotten a 1 on my test. Maybe,
Alright.
I don't. I vaguely remember. Maybe it was, I don't know. Maybe it's from one of the practices.
Mm.
But there were some repeated questions, surprisingly. There was this one question that was very simple in module 1 about mowing grass. It was like this person spends this long trimming the grass and or trimming something or like watering the plants, plus 90, I think it was minutes of mowing the grass.
Mm.
It's asking you for how long did the person take mowing the grass. So it was like 90.
Mm.
I think that was a repeated question.
Mm-hmm. No. What's this for? Mm. I guess none of them is not that complicated. Oh, I still feel good about all the other topics, it's right, but sadly when we mentioned the geometry part.
But I really think what happened with geometry was that I probably didn't get a lot of questions. And the last one really weighed it down because I didn't get so many.
Mm.
I really feel so. So that's well, yeah, not very tasteful.
Mm. So we did this before.
Okay. Can I see the question again? How many feet? Okay, I think I pick B.
So this one is no problem, right?
Yeah, this is fine.
How about the one that actually has you know, picture in there? 10.
I think this is okay. Oh, 9 might not be so okay. Let me see. No, I think 9 is okay. I have the formula, I'm okay. I think one question that like sometimes it depends on if I can get it right is the question where it's like, for example, a cylinder A is 3 times the size of cylinder B, you know, find one of the sides or something. I think those type of like, you know, scaling up and down for shapes, I kind of struggle on.
Mm.
I didn't get it on my test, but that's a question I think qualifies as geometry that I think I don't always get it.
You say that again?
Like the questions where we go by like um so like a cylinder, for example,
Mhm.
cylinder A is this 3 times the size of cylinder B.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe like find the height of the cylinder or find how much if given like a volume for one of the cylinder, what's the volume for cylinder B?
Mm.
And you know, we're supposed to do like square root or like cube root or just cube it to find out.
Yeah, that one is.
Yeah.
But the general method, you know, right? That one.
I think I forget sometimes. Like now,
Wait,
maybe.
you don't remember the? It's basically is V1. Right. It's basically the V1 over V2 is actually L1 over L2's cube.
Yeah.
Right. Area 1 over area 2 is L1 over L2's square. Right?
But I have a question.
No?
I remember this. Oh, let me take a photo. Okay. I remember this, but how do I know does the bigger number do I make the bigger number V1 or V2?
Doesn't really matter.
Okay.
As long as they correspond to each other, then that's all.
Okay. But that's it, right? So if I'm giving one length and a volume, I can reverse to find length two.
You know?
And yeah. I sometimes get confused if I should square root or cube root or like square. Yeah. We'll see a question then. And maybe I can try to solve it if we see one.
Oh, about V1 over V2 equals to L1 over L2's cube?
Yeah.
This is definitely one.
Be honest, I was a little bit nonchalant after the test, so I had like a bunch of questions saved. But after the test, I kind of deleted it. So I'll start collecting them again.
Yeah. You actually don't have it anymore?
Not
Yeah.
like the documents, yes, but the question I wanted to review again, no.
Oh. Oh, you
Yeah,
review
remember
again?
we were doing revision and then I
Yeah,
had
yeah.
the document. Yeah, was a little too nonchalant. Unfortunately, I'll need it again.
Yeah, I guess. I was thinking about it's probably time to give that up, but yeah. 21.
I felt really good in the test. It's just
That's good.
that one question, and I think it just costed me a whole 70 points, if not two. So, okay. Okay, I have the same answer they have, and it's because of 1 over 12. And tan is the adjacent over, I mean, opposite over adjacent.
Yeah, I guess.
I'm okay.
Circle is okay, right?
Usually, yes. That one's okay.
19? We need 19? I feel like we're all done it.
I think it'll be okay because it's just 8x, so 8 times 6.
Twelve.
Okay, let me see. Okay, I would also pick C because the angle doesn't change, the side does, because they're similar.
Yeah. Hmm. 8 is definitely okay, right?
Let me see. Oh yeah, just converting. Wait, T circle T. Oh no, it's okay. Okay, yeah, use formula. It's okay. Okay, the circle area formula. Yes,
R
yes.
square, right?
Yeah.
Question 1.
I had my screen super zoomed in, and I was wondering. Oh, that's why. Okay.
Yeah.
I think this one's okay.
Mm. Mm. Uh,
And my next test is very soon because my mom wanted me to try out the June one. Since I'm out of school,
yeah.
um, I'm very available to do a lot of documents. So please assign me a lot and I'll be able to do them.
Yeah.
If
Wait, you're
anything
out of
changes.
school?
Yes, I had finals, everything out the way. Feels amazing until the test score.
Oh, so you have how long is it gonna be your vacation?
Vacation, but it won't be so restful because I'm graduating next year.
Wait, I know you're graduating next year, but you have a vacation right now?
Yeah, because the school year ended.
How long?
I think 2 months.
Okay, then.
You have something.
Yeah, but it's still vacation, mom. It's better than learning and having exams every week.
Yeah, we can do the one. Well, if you want to find the different ones, it's the ones that before the computer comes in.
I do want to say, I think this test, aside from the geometry questions, I felt really confident and I was kind of doubting my abilities because I feel like I was doing the questions so, pretty good. I feel like it was breezing through. So I think the practice paid off, but maybe not in the geometry branch. I need to do more. But the others, I feel like I was more confident.
This is
Mama.
now we're gonna use something that we did before now.
Okay.
Let's pick
No.
up all the. In the beginning, you want to do geometry, trigonometry question only. Or you want to do it all?
Sure. I
I think
think
it
I can
dep-
do it all on my like for homework. Maybe today just geometry questions, and I'll do it
Mm,
all on my homework, and we'll go back to our normal schedule,
yeah.
and then maybe spend the last 5 days reviewing. So I'll be able to accumulate some questions for review.
Yeah.
Mama shui.
Mm. I'm not losing a document or not. Then I can use that one again. Yes.
Oh, is that the document that you said it was like super hard that we only used for like the hard practice?
No, I was thinking about the one that we had before. Yes, where are we now? It's a good thing the school year ended.
I'm very grateful.
Hmm.
My finals are okay. It went okay.
Oh, what are you
Still waiting.
learning in math?
Oh, the last time we were learning probabilities, it was a bit
Hmm.
tough with the loss of probabilities,
Hmm.
but everything else was okay.
Okay, 20?
Let me see. Oh yeah, okay. This I have to focus.
Hmm.
Oh no, we did this before. I remember.
Yeah.
Let me see if I still remember how to do it. Uh, could I please see the problem again?
Yep.
Thank you. Okay. I got 73.
Hmm. So it's okay, right? You still got the memory and everything.
Yeah, we divide it in half because it's the equilateral triangle, and then we find the height, divide by 2.
Yeah, but this kind of question, if it happens in the test, could be a thing, right?
Yeah,
I mean, it could be a thing. I mean, we can't get it right, but there is a potential danger that we have. Well, we got to be very careful, right?
yeah.
Mm.
Especially if they give it to me. Well, I'm debating right now if I should start doing questions from back to the front. Because I feel like starting from like question, maybe 18, the questions are longer. So maybe I should save more time for those questions. But I'm not quite sure
You
if
want
that's
to
a good
do?
idea.
No. The normal order is okay. We always choose the normal order.
Okay.
Yeah, let's use the before one. Fine.
妈妈水，谢谢。
To finish your school year, I feel like you're in better condition. Right?
I feel better what?
You're in better conditions.
Honestly, I'd argue worse because it's not so much a break for me
Right?
because it's almost college, right? And then I still didn't pass my SAT. And then I
Yeah.
also have to write papers for IB, and I think it's tough. But I'm looking forward for the
After the SAT.
I'm not even sure because if I don't pass, then I have to wake up early, so I guess there's no sleeping in.
Hmm. So this is where's geometry? Here 30.
Sorry.
不是你这怎么事儿那么多呀？
我病了。
Code?
I don't even know.
不，你严肃真的上这课吗？你
我
嘻哈哈
30.
Can I say I'm a bit confused?
Yeah, good thing. This is one that we've never done before, I think. Good. Click.
I'm a bit confused on how to construct the equation.
Let's read this. The sum of the volumes in cubic meters of n spheres, each with radius r, with radius r meters, is equal to the volume of the cubic meter of one right circular cone with the vertical height of 1 meter base radius. When volume of the sphere is that is equals to the other volume, like the cone. That make sense?
Yeah.
And the cone is what? Volume.
The cone has a height of 1 meters and the base of radius, so just pi r squared.
The pi r squared.
Yes.
And 1/3, right?
Oh, because of the cone. Yeah.
It's
Okay.
a,
I thought
it's
it's a
not,
cylinder for a
not a
second.
cylinder. Well, it's not cylinder. Why do you think about a cylinder? You gotta be careful.
Yeah.
Then it's not geometry problem, it's the reading problem. So 1/2 this. So what's the formula for the sphere? Volume.
I don't remember. But I also have a question. Don't
Yeah.
they say the sum of the volumes? So
Yeah.
isn't it adding?
Yeah, adding. So that's why I time n. It's an n spheres, right? So I time it in, right?
Oh, so like n is the number of spheres.
Isn't it?
Okay.
Is it not?
I thought that meant like the volume of the sphere.
Oh, what do you
Yeah,
mean?
I was confused.
Oh, you're making me nervous. That
Oh, no, no, I think you're fine. Because it says
Mm.
sum of the volumes of n spheres. So I thought, n spheres was the volume.
uh
Yeah,
no,
it's
it
okay.
wouldn't talk like that. If that's the case, they would say at least they would say n cubic meters, right? You have to say n
Okay.
cubic meters. You have to say it. N spheres. Well, basically it's n spheres.
All right.
So 4/3 pi r cube, right? You remember?
Yes.
Mm.
But it's also given, so it's okay.
Yeah. So now we can, well, which we're trying to find n, right?
Yes.
We simplify.
So I would do
R is
4
in here.
be-
N
um,
times 4r equals to 1 now, right?
so it becomes 4r.
1/4r, right?
Uh,
Which is
oh, I forgot about the 1 because I thought it would just be 1/3 times 1. So I thought the 1/3 is gone. Like the 1 is gone.
yeah, well, if it's gone, it's 0 then, right?
If
You
it's
think
gone,
n
wouldn't
time,
it be
we're gonna be what?
the option B?
No. If it's gone, it's also it's impossible. N times 4r is 0 if it's gone. That's the equation.
Okay.
Deducing of the this kind of equation is one of the great contributions from math or logic, right?
Okay.
We make it equivalent. You think you can get it in the real test for this?
Let me take a photo so I can review it later on.
Yeah, let me
I
send
think-
it.
I think it'll be okay.
That's a document we didn't do before. You got a picture?
Yep.
So yeah, reading about this, right? Although it's geometry problem, they didn't give us any picture. We have to read it and draw it. Which means cylinder. Cylinder and the cone, that's something also be careful, right?
Yeah.
Because
But
they
this
have,
also counts as geometry, right?
Yeah.
Technically.
Yeah.
Okay.
and
Yeah,
also because their formula are similar, right? Cone and cylinders, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
I think mainly what messed me up on this question is the sum of the volumes. So I thought it was the volume of the sphere plus the volume of the cone. So I was very
Oh, let me read that again. The sum of the volumes in cubic meters of n spheres, each with radius r meters. N sphere. So if I can simplify, it would be the sum of the volumes of n spheres. Huh? That's the key, right?
Yeah. That's what made me really confused. So yeah, I see.
Let's simplify 27.
Second. I'm not sure. I got a decimal.
Wait, how do I thought you don't know how to solve this? I thought there is something you don't really know.
Yeah, so my method was incorrect.
You're just
So
trying something, right? You don't know, right?
because I assume, like, you remember when we said sine A equals cos B and they add up to like sine A plus cos B equals 90.
Yeah, but that's not
So
those questions, right?
I just thought it might have been. Yeah, that's what I tried.
So the thing is A less than B, and this the key here is cosine 4A equals to sine 2B. What is the value? Well, I think for this one, there is a formula I know, but you don't know. There is one thing you can do. Let's just say this is the last 10 minutes. What do? Try other method. You can actually solve this one.
Okay.
Although
let
you
me
don't
think.
really know the one that I know, but there is a way that you can do it. Think again.
Okay. Substitution.
Yeah, substitution can actually find this one, right?
But I have a question.
Yeah.
If I substitute the answer choices for A, do I have to, is that automatically the degree of this triangle, or do I have to cos?
Yeah, you basically have to satisfy this. That's the key.
Okay. Let me try then. I think I have a lead. But let me make sure my calculator's in degree mode.
Wait, I was wrong about that. That the method I tell you is right. But actually, when you use A plus B, I mean not this A plus B, it's just the angle A, any angle. X angle plus Y angle is 90. It's actually okay to do it. Did I stop you somehow?
You didn't stop me, but I don't think I would have gotten it right. I think maybe
So-
I
Yeah, because we don't really have it. There's a lot of formulas, but you haven't learned. So technically, what you have is this one or tryout. Both of them can tryout can definitely find the job, and also it's a good tryout anyway. So anyway, we can also try to use this one, but turnout is to cost something equals to sign something, right?
Yes.
So I should use this one, add this one as 90, right?
I thought so.
Yeah, so which means 4a plus 2b is 90, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good one. Can you do
But
from
then
here?
how do I know? Because now you have two variables you have to solve, right?
Yeah, but there is something else we haven't used.
143.
Yeah.
Oh, so
Wo-
4a plus 2b also equals 140. I mean,
No. A
180
plus
minus
b.
1.
Yes. A plus b is 37 then, right?
How come it's a plus b, not 4a plus? Oh, because okay, that's a reading.
Mm.
I see. Ooh, that would have
You are
that's
right. You have the right angle. Your angle is better than mine, actually.
oh, I messed up because I did 4x plus 4x,
Mm.
equals 37. Because I thought, those two would be equivalent. Yeah. Okay, so then you get A.
Yeah, right?
I like to remember this. Yeah.
So it is like x plus y is 90 degree, right?
Yeah.
Great. Make sure A and B is different, right?
Yeah. That reading, yes.
28.
Let me see. Is it not a C?
The answer is C.
Yes.
Well, I don't really have a C for this one. This one is missing. How
Has
do you?
perimeter that is 4. Wait, what?
Yeah, the function f. Let me just get a question. The function f gives the area of Q in square inches.
Hmm. Wait,
You're
wait,
finding
give me,
C? I think you probably have to change it. I think I have a different answer.
because it's the perimeter.
This is the perimeter for Q.
Has a perimeter that's 4-inch greater than the perimeter of Q. So then I want
How do you prove it's C? I mean, how do you do it anyway?
oh, okay, wait, let me think.
Mm.
I guess D.
Yeah. You're guessing it's C. You didn't prove everything, right?
No, I didn't see well, I saw the perimeter, but my head didn't register that perimeter means all four sides. So that's why I thought it was the length, the side length.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is wrong.
Exactly, yeah.
Hmm.
So that took me a bit to realize that the perimeter was the four sides.
You have to use divided by 4, which is x plus 1, and then you square, which is this one, right? And
Yep.
also you have to fill in, right? You fill in this one, let's say this is A, you have to find A is x plus 1, right? You have to draw it and fill in what you know, label everything, right?
Yep.
Okay. $25 is okay, right? 23.
This one should be okay.
Mhm. $15.
Let me see. Oh. I would pick B.
Then it's okay, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of like more like a algebra. Well, yeah.
Dad, this is math. You want me to say open parentheses x to the power of 2, like things like that?
But say if you only say B and C letter, you will never remember.
This is math.
Yeah. This is what his opinion.
Okay.
Yeah?
Sorry about that.
11 is okay, right? Just
Which
take
is
a look at
fine.
that. Just take a look at it anyway.
Well, I think the answer would be D.
Hmm. Seven. But this one is okay.
Yeah.
$20.
I think it'll be okay too, because essentially K should be 8.
Eh, 19?
I think it'll be okay.
Circles. 13.
Let me see. Maybe C. I mean, the value of X, Y.
Wait, why?
Huh?
Why should we say?
It's because we need to find out how much X plus Y is. Right?
Mm.
Because the previous example, we kind of used that. X minus Y, you can find out the difference, so then you can use 180 minus 80. And then you can subtract the difference to find out the value. And then it was just, I wasn't sure between the last two choices.
They look a little bit familiar. Or a little bit similar, right? So,
Yeah.
well, the question is, which of the following additional piece of information is not sufficient? Which means all the other three, if you provide, that'll be enough information to get X, right?
Yeah. Ideally. But I don't see how can you figure out the value of X using C or D.
So if your explaining is right, then C and D are both kind of you want to choose, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. If they don't provide me anything, what I get is only X plus Y, which is 100, right? Does that make sense?
Okay.
This is what's in my hand already, right? And they need to provide, so far we can't really get X, right? But if they provide me something else, then I can find it. For example, if they provide me X plus Y, if I choose A, if they provide me X plus Y, well, they can provide X plus Y 100, right? Because X plus Y is 100.
So you need it. Yep.
Yeah, wait, I need it, but can I, with this one, this is already I have, this is something they give me, which means this is the only thing that I have, right? If I choose A.
Yes.
Can I get X?
Okay. Maybe no. Not
Yes.
alone.
No, right? So which means it's not sufficient, right?
But then what about C and D? How are you supposed to use it to find X?
I can. For example, let's talk about B. B, C, D are all kind of similar. If I have, well, which I already have this one. If it's C, X minus Y is the prime. Say if the prime is 20, so I can solve it, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So B is okay. So B is sufficient, right? And if we choose, if we try C, which is allowed, you can use it in your calculator. I think it's okay. X plus Y is 100. Let's say X times Y is also 20. Can I find this?
Okay. So you're saying that A is sorry, my nose. A is not sufficient because I can construct an equation because also it's given.
Yeah, it's
I know
also given. It's only one equation.
Okay.
Basically, A tells me there's only one equation, but BCD tells me It's a system equation, which two equations, two variables, which can be done, right?
Okay.
Does that make sense?
I assume that, you know, x plus y equals 100 wasn't given.
No, it's
That's
there
why.
already. It's there already. They don't have to give me it because it's done. As long as that one is
Yeah.
80, x plus y is 100, right?
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
So I have to choose A, right?
Yeah.
That's reading, right? Is it reading?
No, I considered A, but I thought it's important to make the equation. So I thought they had to give it to you.
Yeah, I think this is reading, right? That's something already give to you. They need to give you something else so that you have, and also you feel it's a little bit strange when if in your original defense it's CD are both okay, right?
Huh?
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You can get this
Mama,
one.
I understood. No, I understood this one. X plus y equals 100, it's given. With BCD, you're able to construct an equation that can allow you to find x or y. But only if you're given A, which is already given, you cannot construct any equation, and therefore A is not sufficient.
Yeah, BCD just provide me the second equation. BCD all provide me the second equation.
Yeah.
It only provide me one. 14.
I understand the situation, but I don't understand how to apply the A1 over A2.
It's just that if I want to apply the principle, it would be A1, area 1 over area 2 is somehow length 1 over length 2 square, right?
Yes.
And with the second sentence, we already know it's similar. It said the length of ABC, I mean each side, is 1 over 2 times the length of corresponding sides of triangle DEF. Which means
Yeah.
A equals to, let's say this is A1 from the DEF, times 1 over 2, right? Like this, according to what they say, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
This is ABCs, and this is DEF. So A over A1 is 1 over 2, right? I mean A prime. Does that make sense? A over
Okay.
A prime is 1 over 2, right? So A over A prime, it is length L1 over L2, right? Which is 1 over 4 then. I mean 1 over 2 square, right?
But then where does the 40 come into place?
Because I need A1, area 1 over area 2. What they told me is the area triangle ABC is 40. So A1 is 40 then, right?
How come you are using ABC for A1, not DEF for A1?
It's because they said triangle ABC. The length of the triangle ABC is 1/2 times the length of DEF.
So the smaller
Oh
shape
yeah, you see
always
the smaller one. Yeah.
okay.
Smaller over larger, right?
Okay.
So the other one should also, I mean, the area should also be called smaller over larger, right?
So then does that mean for the larger area I just have to multiply by 2 since the ratio is 1/2?
So, well, I have to square that, which is 1/4. 1/2 squared is 1/4, right?
Oh,
So
5
it's
times
40
4,
over area 2, right?
which is D. Oh, okay.
That again?
Yep.
Hmm.
Photo this. Okay.
What stopped us from 14?
I was going to pick D, but usually the angle is not like decreasing by 1/2. It's usually increasing. So I wasn't really sure and just wanted to guide the process.
Oh, you also want to choose 160?
I wanted to, yeah.
Okay.
It's been a while, so I wasn't really sure if my thinking was right.
Then D it is.
Okay. I remember this one.
就是你考试不会哪个就先学哪个。
妈妈，我们现在在过题，我们在过我不会的题，
我就跟你
我丢分的题的。Yes.
So, or I get confused, I would just draw the whole thing. I mean,
Okay. You say
make
draw the
these-
whole thing like I just label the sides?
Yes, A, B, C. I think I remember I did this kind when I was theory. It's just I can just write this. And if you say this length is 1/2 times this, right? So just A,
Yeah.
this is A prime, right? So I can know A over A prime is or I can use L1, L2, which is easier because our formula is that L1 over L2 is 1/2, right? Or L1 is 1/2 times L2, right?
Okay.
You know what I mean? I'm trying to just make sure the formula and this question are connected, right?
Yeah. I think I still need to practice using the formula a little bit. But like I see that we need to use this formula at least.
Hmm. 8?
Oh, let me see. Ayo. Polygon is
Pentagon.
6. Polygon is how many sides? 7?
Wait, polygon,
Or-
you don't really know. You don't really know.
Oh, polygon is unknown.
Unknown.
Oh,
3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 8 sides, 11 sides. Oh, okay.
really? Okay.
Holy. You don't really know the size yet.
Okay. I think A.
They have X says this and Y says that. Which is the best interpretation of 2 in this? It's the shorter one, right?
Yes, because X is greater than Y. So since it should be length, right?
Yeah.
Y, yeah, so it should be A. Okay.
If we try B, which is longer, what? Because 5 is the longer one, right?
Yeah.
And the number C, number of the short side, which is the what's the number of the short size anyway?
The number of the short size, well, that's just Y, because it's
Yeah.
at Y side.
The D is X, right? Good.
Yeah.
Five then. Okay.
I think D. Because I can substitute the 0.4 and then find out it's 10.
And 3. 3 be okay.
Yeah, I think this will be fine.
And 2 is, well, it's linear. Circle is okay, right? If we skip all circle question.
I think circle's okay. Because like I also graph it, so it's okay.
$34.
Let me see. What's the probability of knots? I have no idea. Because didn't we say 360 degree equals 2 pi? So when it says the circle is divided into 3 non-overlapping regions, is it saying that it's divided like cutting slices of pie?
Well, I can add it all together, which is the whole area, right? I mean, the whole circle. I can add a
But
4.
doesn't the
I
whole
get 12.
circle adds up to? Doesn't
That's-
it add up to 2 pi?
No. Oh, you don't know the radius. It's pi r squared. How do you know? You don't really know.
Okay.
Right?
I see.
Oh, you mean 2 pi is the reading? That's the degree. It's
Oh,
not
so
the
it's
area.
okay.
You get
I
confused
see.
with 2 pi is 360 degree. Right? But they're
Yeah.
not talking about that. They're talking about area, right? Are they talking about area?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they're talking about area. You talk about area. The whole area is you add this 3 together, which is 30, 19, 32 pi, right?
Okay.
And then
So I'm just putting I'm adding 4 plus 16 and putting it over 32.
yeah, the one not in 2, not in section 2.
So anything but in the 12. So 4 plus 16, so 20 over 32 pi.
Yeah.
And then the pi would cancel. So I
Yep.
get 20 over 32.
32. Yeah.
Okay.
You
Oh,
change it
that
to
wasn't bad. Yeah, that
Huh?
wasn't hard.
Yeah. You are
Yeah.
it's basically it's a pie chart, right?
Yeah.
No.
I was only confused about the 2 pi and 360 because I
Yeah.
thought it was, yeah, maybe a radian. I
Yeah,
see.
think about something else, which is not what they asked, right?
Yeah.
So reading? Hmm.
I think understanding.
Hmm.
That's my email.
That's okay. $25.
Oh, this one.
I guess this one is okay.
Okay. I think C.
Yep. 23 is still geometry, but I think no geometry problem. Wait. Oh, 10. Was it 10?
Yeah, I'm reading. 55, 54. C.
Yeah.
Hey, got it. Wait. Let me take a photo. Okay.
Anyway, it's normally you can get it right, this one.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, I think I get the formula or recall or know it better now. Like understand it.
Okay, let me give
Sorry,
you
what?
the homework.
Okay. Feel
We're gonna have tomorrow. We're gonna have class
Oh, we
tomorrow.
are.
Yes. I think.
I'm not sure of the schedule, but I just know I have time to do work.
Okay.
Yes.
So in the homework, you want to do the whole package of the section, the math section, or you want to do geometry and trigonometry?
I think I want to do the whole section.
Sure.
Yeah. I think it's good practice because you never know what questions you can find, and maybe I already forgot some. Yeah.
Yeah. After you finish the whole section, then you can still take a look at the geometry and trigonometry a little bit more. Okay.
Okay.
4?
We have class tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Realistically speaking, I know I can get half done. Realistically speaking, but you can
then-
send for maybe I could do more.
And that give you 3.
Okay. It was really funny because I thought I had the English class today,
Yeah.
and the teacher sent me a document that has 137 pages. So I thought it was all due today, and I spent like 7 hours doing them. And then I realized it's math class. I was like,
That's why.
oh,
That's why you didn't have calculator. Okay.
yeah.
Understand. Well, I hope you enjoy your little vacation. Oh, that's better than I thought. I thought you are having the school days and still have such busy schedule. Well, that's at least better than that. I'm so sad
Yeah.
you didn't finish.
I'm so sad too. I can't
Yeah.
believe I was so confident, I did so many documents. And
Yeah.
it's kind of sad because at this point I've done so much I even remember passages. Like for some questions, I don't have to even read the passage and I know the questions.
Wow.
And yeah. All this effort, still no result. Maybe next time. Hopefully. Please. Next time, please.
Sure. Okay, then have a good time with the homework. God bless you. Bye.
Thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye.